Wat sê jy oom?
Jy weet.
Lekker by die see? Sê jy's
Joint like a tiger.
Oei.
Get on me. Jy weet.
Luister, padvis. Wat sê jy?
Jy weet. Just catch a couple of fish. Lekker boys. So on Cape Town Airport on our way to Namibia for the international tournament versus Namibia. We're all looking forward to it. It's been a while and it's finally happening. Hallo.
Hallo meneer.
Hoe gaan het?
Alright meneer.
Lekker man.
Thank you boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, flight video 1, come on, the same flight 4 Zulu 348 from Cape Town to Office Bay. Your flight 3 days was off archery.
Bag will not fully inflate, although oxygen is flowing.
Welcome to Office Bay. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop.
Well, it's our first morning here in Namibia and we're going to have a couple of test throws and practice a little bit, see what's going on. So once we start the tournament, then we know what's going on and form a little bit of a pattern and yeah, just catch a couple of fish. Lekker boys. You can edit.
Like that, that's all that you need.
Basically.
Nothing bigger, nothing smaller, that's the bait you can throw. Nou, koppie onder. Lekker. That's a koppie. Get it into the water. I'm going to walk with you, I just want to show you where to throw quickly. All down.
Solid.
First pro in Namibia.
Yeah.
Smallish one, huh?
Small fish.
Alright. Ah, now it's waking up. Now it's waking up here at the end. Oh, that's what I like to do. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Get it out. Don't let it run up and down here. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull it, pull it, pull it so it can come out. Don't play with it. Lekker. Right here. Right here to the end of the bank. Try to hit the bank.
And yes, Gareth with a gully. Small boy. You're hardly through, bud.
Yeah.
Just a mile. You right? And there's the coach showing the boys how it's done. Pull it!
There's a coach on.
Smile and wave, boys.
Thank you.
You're pulling it very hard, eh?
Yeah.
Not the biggest of gullies. Let's bite. Daai ding is nog grasgroen. Practicing, Ahmed's got a fish. And here, challenge on with the fish. There's a few gullies around. Other boys down the beach. Smile for the camera, Ahmed. You're right. Not the biggest spotties, but it's there. Hello. What's happening, Morne?
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Watching the lighties catch fish.
I saw that. And then what? Timothy, show us that thing. Good boy, got it. Well done. Good boy, bite. He's not clapping the fish at the moment. Lon's putting one back. Timothy bending. Bending, boy, get.
Bending.
He's gonna walk it out. Oh, gave you a slap in the face there.
Hello, Captain.
Good boy, get.
Yes.
Yeah, come on. Show us your bait there, man. Oh, yes. Fucking strike.
Yeah, I want to have that right in mind. That's not just do
Monday's the guide and he's just doing his job, guiding. I'm going to show one of the guys where to throw. I'm going to make a throw for a big bronzy.
How is it going?
You're on there, boy, gay?
Straight. How is it going? I was waiting for this. I was wondering what happened.
Yes. Mornay, the guide, called it spot on. Said,
What a guy.
what a guide. No, Mornay told O'Callaghan to throw a big bait and he showed him a nice proper big, what was it, mackerel bait, and what was it, 10 minutes and you're on into a bronze whaler. Yes, that bite was beautiful. Yes. Like a zap. Just pull it.
The Yeti is on there. Frank must be proud.
Are you guys going to grab it?
Yeah.
I will give you extra hard to grab. One time. I
Good.
think there'll be more.
Well done, Mackie, eh?
Yeah, you must check that bait. Yes, that was a coconut bait.
That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well, there's a few bait.
You should just keep it away from that rip going out there. Where is it? Yeah. No, man. It's here. Good. Walk a little bit back. Get it onto that dune.
That's it. You're there's like a strong backwash. Yeah. I wish you could have seen his face on his camera with that bite.
Go onto that dune to get it a little bit more height. It's arcing back. It's arcing back. And then it's back again. Again, I think your chance is going to be now. So give it a good pull. Does not want to come closer. This backwash is making it difficult for him.
Yeah. Just is not full, Tom.
Now. Right here. Lekker boyke!
Ja. Stick een beetje. Solid. How's it? job.
Lekker boyke. Well done. Put that tail a little bit forward. Get in, team.
Only fish.
Oh man, do it like this. Hey guys. Okay, lekker. Kijk, get it back. Well done, Cullen. Well done, guide. Oh yeah. Straight. No, I love it. Thanks very much for that, bro.
Then your face.